Hello all, welcome to Tech
Today in this
Easy.
video we'll see how you can download kmplayer to your Windows laptop or computer. So on your Google search just search as kmplayer download and you need to visit this website www.kmplayer.com. See here I have opened the same website on the another tab and right it here for Windows the download is available. So you need to click on that and you need to click on this one download for Windows. As soon as you click on this, see here the download has been started. See here. It is like 47 MB, so it will take less than a minute. Once it is downloaded fully, you need to double click on this so that it gets installed on your computer. So we'll do that process. I'm just double clicking on this. Yeah, it just asks the permission for this application to be installed on my computer. I just gave the permission as you can download and install it on my computer. So the installation process has been started and it is asking me to select the language. So English is fine for me. If you want another language, you can click on the drop down and you can choose the language. So see here, within less than 30 seconds the installation process will be completed. See here, okay, this is the installation path. So my installation is okay. So within 1 minute everything will get installed on your computer and you can start watching content like audio or video files through this KM player. So I'll play a sample video on this using yeah, my installation is almost completed. Once you read these licenses and the terms and conditions, if you're okay with that, so you can accept the license terms and conditions and you can click on the install. See here my installation is complete, so I'll click on finish. I'll minimize this so that there is a desktop shortcut already as it is created on the desktop. By double clicking on this I can from the next time I can use this. Okay, yeah, see on my computer with one of the video I just right clicked on this and I am saying that play with KM player what I have just installed. So now this video will get played with the KM player what I have just installed.